Hello everyone. Something I forgot to mention in the last video. You are allowed to lie down for 2 to 5 minutes after you finish your 20-minute upright meditation. The next thing we will do is the SRV affirmation. Affirmations can be thought of as a minor form of neurolinguistic programming. If you want to learn a more in-depth understanding about neurolinguistic programming, you should look at the work done by Richard Bandler and John Grinder. I'd recommend their book, Frog into Princess. We are going to use this affirmation to bring about a change in our perception that will snowball over time as long as you are consistent in your recitation of this affirmation. Let's read the affirmation together now. I am a spiritual being. Because I am a spiritual being, I am able to perceive beyond all boundaries of time and space. My consciousness is ever present with all that is, with all that ever was, and with all that ever will be. It is in my nature as a human to be able to perceive and thus to know all that there is to know. Everywhere, at all times, I seek to learn and thus to evolve, to further my own personal growth and to assist others in their growth. I direct my attention to a chosen point of existence. I observe what is there, I study it carefully, I record what I find. In my opinion, the biggest benefit that you can receive from learning remote viewing is the realization and acceptance that you are a spiritual being, and you are not bound by any one reality in your natural state. Reality, to a remote viewer, or a being that understands his or her natural state, sees the world in front of their eyes like a channel on an FM/AM radio station. Your awareness and intentions are perfectly capable of changing that channel and allowing perceptions to bleed in from other realms of existence, independent of time or space. You'll notice that in the affirmation, we are programming the mind to seek, to learn, and evolve at all times, as well as to assist others in their growth. Don't be lazy. The world is full of distractions to keep you away from your goals, especially those goals that are more abstract in nature. The fact that you are seeking to change your perception of yourself and the world around you influences your choices within the realities you are experiencing. Every action that you make contributes to augmenting your timeline at a quantum level, while your existence by nature leaves sort of a breadcrumb trail for others to follow if they so choose. A more scientific description of this phenomena is in Hugh Everett's definition of superposition and his many worlds interpretation. I'll let you do your own research on those terms for your own benefit. Your homework for today is another 20-minute meditation and to read this affirmation. I know a lot of people have a hard time sitting down to start a meditation, but this is something that you're just going to have to get over if you want to be effective at remote viewing. If you have enough time to watch a TV show like The Office, South Park, or Seinfeld on Netflix or Hulu, then you definitely have enough time to meditate. Good luck, and I will see you in Lesson 3.